Hello guys, welcome to another video. I have my spring FabFitFun, and this is the most giant FabFitFun box, and also it's like super light. I didn't need this big a box. It's so giant but so empty. Alright, we've got our magazine. We have HelloFresh, we have a little coupon, we have some stickers. No, Minder's is already trying to get into the box. You want to show them what it looks like, bud? Well, there's our stuff. So let's unbox it. Of course, the FabFitFun is $50. I think typically you can usually find a coupon for about $10 off your first box. So I feel like this box, maybe it's just that there's nothing that like special that calls to me in this one. And like a couple of the things that you could have gotten, I'm like, I would have rather had something else. But I mean, there's still some nice items in here. Don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna bash on it. You guys know I love my FabFitFun. It's not a negative thing at all, but every now and then you're bound to get one that's maybe not your favorite, and that's kind of the case. So let's see what we got. All right, first up we got the Joy Dravecki. I'm gonna guess this is a ring. It says this goes for $75. I'd like to speak to the manager. This is a like adjustable ring, and that to me, like the moment your ring is adjustable, screams, you know, low quality. But maybe that's just me. I just don't like the feel of them. Like I feel like it just always bugs me, and my hands have been pretty severely burned too. Like you would never know because it's the palm of your hand, but the skin is a little weird right there, and it irritates my skin. So this goes for $75. It is pretty if you can get past the whole, you know, adjustable ring thing. I don't know, I feel like as many choices and options, I would have rather seen like a choice option, or maybe a choice in size, maybe picking the size, or perhaps just go with a different piece of jewelry. Like I know rings are tough because you need the size, but I don't know, the adjustable vibe, it bugs my finger. I don't know why it does. Also, the stone in mine is like crooked. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell this, but it's set a little crooked. I'm not gonna be able to show that kind of a detail, but it's just not set in there right. And I don't know, the whole thing just screams a little cheap to me, if I'm being honest. And I don't usually have anything negative to say about FabFitFun, but this particular item was just like, what? And the value off the charts too. Like if this was a $20 value, it'd be like, all right, it's not that bad. Next item. These are the Saie. I'm just gonna say Saie. It's S-A-I-E. And these are little makeup remover round things. Now these are pretty much a face halo. And God, I'm gonna sound like the biggest negative Nancy. I really wanted this cup, by the way. This cactus cup, I really wish that I had gotten it, because you guys know, or if you don't know, I love cute stuff, and that was just like, right up my alley. These go for $15. I just wanted the cup, you know? The thing that bugs me about these is that everybody has copied face halo now, so everybody's got them, and they're all a little bit different, yeah, because you know, maybe the fiber is a little bit different, but I mean, it's a copy, and I just don't like that it's just such a blatant copy of things like that. Now, this is definitely a different fiber. This feels more like a blanket, you know, and I don't know how I would feel about that, but we'll see. It says these go for $15. They are more affordable. Let us know if you've had these and you really like them. Let us know. Next up, this is the Suns Out, Pouts Out 4-piece gold foil lip mask. I mean, that sounds pretty fun. There's like a little something beauty related in the box for you. These go for $16, so like $4 a mask. I'm not gonna take one out because, as you see, I have my makeup on, but I might try one of these really soon. It'll be cute in a little skin video, maybe. The packaging is really cute. These do seem interesting. I'm keen to give these a try. Next up, this is from Lark and Ives. Comes in a little canvas bag. This is a hair scarf bundle. I don't have hair scarves. I can honestly say that this is something different to add to my collection of things. And this one is really pretty. The first one's just like this ivory. It's pretty. It kind of looks like it's gonna be a pillowcase until you fold it out. There's so many ways you can use hair scarves. Do I ever use them? Absolutely not, but I would be interested in trying them out. And I feel like for spring, this one's really pretty, very on theme with everything. And I would definitely do like, you know, make it as a headband. You could put it in a ponytail. I'm sure there's countless other ways you can do it. I'm not the most creative with my hair, as you guys have seen. Like I have straight, curly, wavy, and in a bun, sometimes space buns, but I can't do like braids. I can't braid a scarf into my hair. I'm the worst. So yeah, I'll have to just like play with it and learn, but it is really, really pretty. I don't know why I want to do this, but I want to do like the bandana vibe. How do we feel? Oh, the static. Okay, but these are really pretty. I will definitely try and use these. And if you have any favorite ways to use hair scarves like this, let me know. Worst case scenario, tie it on a purse. Now we have something from Earth Harbor. This is the Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. So this is the box. It says this goes for $38. It's an oil featuring spirulina and blue tansy to brighten and balance the skin. Now this bottle looks really pretty. I do love like the feel and look of this. It looks super, super pretty. It's blue, and blue tansy naturally is blue, so I'm pretty sure that's what's giving it its color. Like if you've ever used Luna oil from Sunday Riley, it has blue tansy in it. I'm just gonna drop a little bit on my hand. That feels really nice. It feels like a thin to medium consistency oil. It's not thick and it doesn't feel oily, but it's, you know, it's like got a little weight to it. So I'm interested to try that out, and we'll definitely see what I think about it. Bottle and aesthetic is so like fresh. Okay, this item I think is pretty cool. This is from Camp Collection. Let me find this. This is a dip dye market tote. Now I actually, like I said, I really like the idea of these because the more we can use reusable things like plastic bags at the grocery store, and I'm gonna assume it's gonna expand a little bit. I've only been to Trader Joe's like once, and I really want to go, so maybe I'll take my tote. I feel like this is definitely something like you would take to Trader Joe's or like Whole Foods. It's cute though. It goes for $25. It's a lot for what it's made of, I'm sure, but it's adorable, reusable tote to haul your groceries. And I do think that it is really cute. And obviously if you're just running into a store to pick up a couple of things, throw it in your tote. That way you don't have to, you can skip the bag at the line. That's a great idea. So I am excited, and I feel like this is a very useful item to get. All right, so this is from Tech Candy, and I actually chose this because out of the options I was like, I don't know, I could get this or not. And I basically was like, hey Zach, do you want a phone sanitizer? And he's like, oh, we could try it. Now this is the UV sanitizer. It goes for $60. It says it kills up to 99% of common germs in just 5 minutes. So this, you place your phone in to sanitize it with UV light. So I'm definitely, I mean, I'll use this. Can you ever really tell if it's doing anything? I have no idea, but it is meant to, you know, kill germs. I don't know a lot about the science of what makes UV light kill germs. It's got little silicone bobbies on the end. What's that about? Oh, I guess that's just like the vent for your phone. I've seen these like in like TJ Maxx and Home Goods and stuff, but I've never really looked at them. So it looks like it has a cable, but it also has a place for batteries. So I'm like, you can definitely find like while you're in the shower or while you're eating or something, stick your phone in there. I have the 12 Pro Max and it fits just fine. Just so you can see the size. I went real country there. I'm so sorry. It's in there. So we'll try it out once we get it figured out. I mean, it's an interesting gadget to have, and our phones are really, really dirty. So I understand like the want and need for that. We hope it works. As the giant homebody that I am right now, I am very pleased to get slippers. On our hardwood floors, I have found that moving from carpet to hardwood, I am unable to walk around in bare feet. And I am like, I was raised running around in bare feet, but now I just can't seem to do it. Like the floors can be spick and span. I'm like, okay, I can walk on them. And then 3 hours later, you can feel like a speck under your foot, and I'm like, no, I can't do it. I need more rugs around the house. But anyway, these are from Splendid, and these are faux fur slippers in crystal pink. It says these go for $48. That's mighty high. I picked up some slippers recently at TJ Maxx, and my last TJ Maxx shop with me, if you guys want to check it out, I got 2 pairs of slippers, and they were like $8 a piece, but I'm not gonna complain because these are cute. Let's see, this is a size medium large. I'm an 8.5, so I'm gonna see how these fit. They're a little bit big. Like if I was a 9 or a 9.5, it would be perfect, but a little bit big in a slipper is better than too small. And my slippers are getting worn out because I like live in them. So these feel pretty good. They are a little bit big for me, but that's good. Maybe up to a 10, you know, could wear this comfortably. So that's good. Just to recap and clean up my mess, because I've spread it everywhere. We got our phone sanitizer, a pair of slippers, we got a face oil, we got our market tote, 2 hair scarves, we got this set of 3 little cleansies. I'm looking in the magazine that there's the edit sale. I need that cactus cuff. What is wrong with me? Okay, I'm trying to look up because I feel like, again, I've said something stupid, and it's always when I say something negative that it turns out that I'm wrong. Like, if I'm being super positive, no, I'm fucking dead on. But the moment that I say something negative and then I say something stupid, I get ditzy from time to time, guys. Like, I'm not a perfect person. Okay, yeah, it does say ditch your makeup wipes. I was wondering if these were meant to be more for like toner maybe, but it does say just makeup wipes. So I assume these are meant to remove makeup. So I just wanted to be sure I was right about that and correct myself if I was wrong. And then we got our 4 lip masks. And finally, our little ring, which is pretty, albeit adjustable. So I feel like I definitely got my money's worth. I never walk away from a FabFitFun thinking, this was terrible, I wasted my money. I don't think that. Like, I will use these slippers. If nothing else, Zach will use that phone sanitizer doohickey. I think the hair scarves are beautiful. I'll use the lip mask, I'll use the face oil, I'll use the market tote. So I can't complain. Like, yes, some of these things are like the value is a little overpriced, honestly, but at the end of the day, I spent 50 bucks and I got a bunch of stuff and I'm not mad at it at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link FabFitFun down below if you would like to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so very much for hanging with me for a bit, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.